Final Cut Pro has had a huge week of updates for both the Mac version and iPad, and of course, Final Cut Camera is no different. So in this video, I'm going to break down everything that's new inside of Final Cut Camera 2.3. The first addition might seem like a minor one, but I'm actually quite happy about it, and that is that we have access to 23.98 frames per second. To get access, you're just simply going to come over here to the left side, tap on that, and we can change our frames per second, and you'll see we now have access to 23.98. And just like that, we have instantly made our videos infinitely more cinematic. The next feature offers the ability to completely disable digital zoom. That way you know you are getting the maximum quality out of your phone. To do so, simply go up to the settings gear, then we can scroll on down and you'll see this line for allow digital zoom, tap that toggle, and now you can no longer use the digital zoom inside of your videos, which means you know for a fact you are getting full quality out of your camera. And speaking of quality, we also now have access to more levels of ProRes. To get access to this, just simply come on over here to the left-hand side and tap on these settings. Then at the top, you'll see it says HEVC right now for me. If we tap on that, you can see we now have access to all these other levels of ProRes. So we can do ProRes 422 LT, we can do ProRes 422, or if you're feeling extra spicy, you can do ProRes 422 HQ. This is going to give you the maximum possible quality out of your phone. If you're looking to really maximize the color grade on your video, I highly recommend you check out these settings. Just know that it does come at the cost of using far more storage space. You can also now easily import your media from Final Cut Camera directly into Final Cut Pro for Mac using USB-C. And the last feature, but certainly not the least, is the ability to output a clean HDMI signal directly from Final Cut Camera. To do so, you'll just simply go into your settings gear icon in the top left, scroll on down through the settings until you see external monitor preview, and you'll notice that it says clean HDMI for me. If you tap that, you can choose between clean HDMI or mirror mode. Mirror mode is going to display all of the overlays that you have inside of Final Cut Camera on your HDMI screen, whereas clean HDMI is going to give you a preview of the final end product that's being output by Final Cut Camera. This is a huge step when it comes to working with Final Cut Camera on professional workflows, so I am really incredibly excited to see that happen. So there's the update for Final Cut Camera 2.3. I'm super curious to hear your thoughts on it. Are there features that you feel like are missing from this update? Are you excited about any of the new features that have been added? Definitely let me know down in the comments. Also, if there are features that you want to see included into Final Cut Camera, make sure you're using the Apple feedback pages. That's the only way they're going to know what features we actually want in these apps. So it does help them a lot, and it also helps us to get better apps in the future. If you enjoyed this video and you want to learn more about all things Final Cut Pro, consider subscribing and helping me reach my goal of 100,000 subscribers. That would mean so much to me. You have no idea. Thank you so much for taking the time to hang out with me, and I cannot wait to see you in the next one.